Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and today we are making a pineapple bourbon lemonade. Let's get into it. It's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are going to take a look at a pineapple bourbon lemonade. Why? Well, why not? It's bourbon, it's lemonade, it's pineapple juice. It's three simple ingredients that make a cocktail that is perfect for the back deck, by the pool, on a beach someplace, public park, or hell, just sitting around and enjoying yourself watching a TV show, because why not? And it's a low enough ABV that you could drink a number of these over the days and it's not really going to affect you, but you get to enjoy yourself. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to grab is our shaking glass. And if you stay to the end of the video and watch the outtakes, I said something really stupid about a shaking glass earlier, so laugh and leave a comment about it, okay? Our first ingredient that we're going to use is your bourbon of choice. In this case, I'm using Bullet Bourbon. This is their 10-year-old. And this is one of my favorite bourbons. It's nice, it's mellow, it's got a little bit of spiciness. And for this, we're going to use 2.5 ounces. Oh yeah. This is right up our alley. Shuffle this off to the side and grab your knife. Grab your lemon, give it a bit of a chop, and you're gonna wonder why we're putting so much in. We're going to put in 1 ounce of lemon juice, and we're gonna use 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Oh, look at that. Move that here. The next thing you need is pineapple juice. I'm using fresh pressed pineapple juice, so there's no sugar added. The good thing is the tropical sweetness of the pineapple juice will actually sweeten this up enough so that you don't need to add sugar. And we'll use 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. Oh, it looks good, it smells good, we're almost there. Now you could probably just put this into a glass and stir this. However, we're going to shake this first. And we'll do that for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Tap that on her so it's nice and solid. Give it a flip and shake it with a smile. Yeah. With the strength of 1,000 pineapples, we'll just pop that open. Now a pineapple will give you a little bit of natural foaminess. Like I said earlier, you don't necessarily have to shake it. You could stir it, you could just make it in a glass. The reason I shake it is because it's going to chill all the ingredients down even more, and it will combine everything properly and break the citrus down. So grab your glass of choice. In this case, I'm using a stemless goblet, and what we'll do is we will put some ice in this. Looks good. You know what, you don't need to fine strain this because you're gonna have a fair amount of ice in here. So let's just give it a nice pour. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Now, if you want to garnish this, you could garnish this with a couple of pineapple fronds. You could garnish this with a piece of pineapple, some mint. In this case, I'm going to use a Maraschino Cherry because it'll give me just a dab of extra sweetness and a splash of color. And I love these Maraschino cherries. They're absolutely gorgeous. Let's give it a bit of a smell. Oh, so it's really good. You get slight hints of the bourbon, a little bit from the cherry. You get some from the pineapple juice. Oh, this is really good. The bourbon shines through. It is not sweet at all. It's just this side of tart, which allows the bourbon flavors to come through nicely, and you can taste the lemon really, really good. It's almost a sour, but it's not quite that sour. It is a near perfect lemonade that's not sweet. Oh yeah. However, if you do want to sweeten this up, go ahead, sweeten it to your taste. Maybe add 1/4 of an ounce with simple syrup, maybe 1/2 ounce, but just do it in little bits till you get exactly where you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below for you. If you have any comments, like using different types of juices, a different type of bourbon, sweetening it up, unsweetening it, Totally up to you. Leave a comment down below. And if this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/boozonrocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You have a great afternoon. So let's get into this. This is a shaken glass. Having said that, you already know that. But, and I forgot what I was gonna say. This cocktail actually came about because it's Friday. It's a time for the back deck. It's stop.